Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today we are going to start 8th lesson. What is the word? Homonyms are two words that are spelled the same and sound the same but have different meaning. Students, you can see here some examples. For ring, first example is what a beautiful ring. Second example, the children sat on the floor in a ring. For letter, first example, there is a letter for you. Second example, B is the second letter of the alphabet. Students, in both the cases, its pronunciation and spellings are the same. Only the meaning changes. In this lesson, we will get to know more examples of homonyms. Write the suitable word in help box: launch, diet, rash, cross whisker, zip, file, prompt, check. These words are given. First, which word means concerning food or Japanese parliament? Answer: diet. A healthy diet creates a body resistance to disease. The national diet is Japan's bicameral legislature. Second, which word means to give a cue or to be quick and ready? Answer: prompt. The last line is your prompt to exit the stage. Prompt action was required as the fire spread. Next, third, which word means a narrow miss or a cat has these? Answer: whisker. She won the race by a whisker. The cat carefully cleaned the milk off its whiskers. Fourth, which word means it could be an allergy or thoughtless action? Answer: rash. A red itchy rash appeared on her skin. Think twice before doing anything rash. Fifth, which word means to begin something or a large motor boat? Answer: launch. NASA plans to launch a satellite to study cosmic rays. We will make a trip by launch to Goa. Next, sixth, which word means a cue or a tool to shape and smoothen? Answer: file. The records are filed alphabetically. File used to remove fine amounts of material from a workpiece. Seventh, which word means the sign of a church or extremely angry? Answer: cross. A cross is an emblem of Christianity. My dad gets cross if I leave the kitchen in a mess. 8. Which word means to examine something or a pattern of squares? Answer: check. Custom officers have the right to check all luggage. A shirt with a pattern of blue and yellow checks. 9th, which word means energy of speed or a thing used to fasten clothes, bags, etc.? Answer: zip. The new engine has given the car a lot more zip. I can't open my bag, the zip has stuck. Do you know, students, the English term cafe, borrowed from the French, is actually derived from the Turkish kahve meaning coffee. Students, we have completed 8th lesson. Now it's fun quiz time. Students, you have to complete the sentence with a common word. First sentence is the dash sky shine through the window. Second sentence is he uses dash colors in his artwork. Third sentence is he is a dash child. What is the answer, students? Yes, correct. Answer is bright. The bright sky shine through the window. Here, bright means giving out light. He uses bright colors in his artwork. Here, bright means bold colors. He is a bright child. Here, bright means intelligent. Students, we have completed 8th lesson. What is the world? We will meet again in the next session. Till then, take care. Thank you. Goodbye.